Hello, this video is to instruct on the installation of Fortress Iron's Versai fence system. Versai fence is a patented rackable fence system that smoothly rakes through the grade of the property with no visible fasteners. Please be sure to check with local building codes and requirements prior to ordering and installing your materials. Call before you dig to locate underground utility lines. Once on site, stake out the proposed fence line, accurately positioning in corner and gate post locations. Make sure to stay within the property line. Locate the corner and gate post positions and measure out for the line post locations. Evenly spaced line posts based off of the length of fence, not to exceed Versai 8-foot on center spacing. Standard spacing for 2-inch square posts for Versai residential fence is 96 inches to 97 inches on center. Standard Versai commercial fence spacing for 2.5-inch square posts is 94 inches to 96 inches on center. Make sure to space the posts utilizing the tolerances to their utmost in order to minimize panel cuts. Locate gate hinge posts for all gates. Once the hinge post is located and marked, determine the latch post location. This is done by adding the gate leaf size and hardware spacing to determine the face-to-face spacing for the gate posts. Request the gate and hardware details to determine the exact spacing for each gate installed. Once the fence line is clearly marked for post spacing, prepare to set posts by either using OzPost or standard concrete footings. For installation guidance using OzPost, visit the website at www.ozpost.com. Review panel details supplied by Fortress Iron to verify bracket spacing for each panel. Clearly mark bracket hole location on appropriate sides of the post. Pre-drill holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Align bracket with hole and use self-drilling screw to attach the bracket to the pre-drilled post. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws and strip the posts. Once all brackets are connected to the post, hang the fence panel to the inside of the attached brackets and secure the top rail of the panel using the supplied through bolt to secure the panel to the bracket. Once the top rail is secured, connect the bottom rails to the corresponding brackets. Finish tightening the nuts to all rail bracket connections. If the Versai fence panel must be cut to a shorter length, make sure to measure the face-to-face post spacing to confirm the needed panel length. Once the length is determined, clearly mark cut locations on all rails. Evenly space cuts to both sides of the panel. Vertically cut the marked points at the rail using a reciprocating saw or portable bandsaw. Grind any burrs down with file or hand sander. On all cut ends, apply 2 coats of Fortress Zinc Rich paint. For additional details and instructions, please contact Fortress Iron Railing and Fence Systems at 866-323-4766 or by email at customerservice@fortressiron.com.